Ever pondered about how the future of natural language processing might shape up? Let's take a moment to marvel at the journey so far. From its humble beginnings, where rule-based systems were the talk of the town, NLP has come a long way. It's like watching a fledgling bird take its first flight. Awkward at first, but soon soaring high with confidence. As years passed, NLP grew beyond just rules and syntax. Enter machine learning, where the machine started learning from our language, our conversations, our quirks. And then came the big guns, the Transformers, the GPT series. They didn't just learn, they understood, they generated, and they transformed the landscape of NLP. Now imagine a future where these models become even more sophisticated, even more nuanced. A future where GPT-4 isn't the latest, but a stepping stone to something even grander. Intrigued? So buckle up as we dive into the intricacies of GPT-4 and how it's changing the game in NLP. Now you might wonder, what's this GPT-4 everyone's raving about? Well, let me break it down for you. GPT-4, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer 4, is like the Elon Musk of the artificial intelligence world. It's brilliant, innovative, and a bit mysterious. At the heart of GPT-4 is a technology known as a transformer. Now before you start imagining Optimus Prime, let me clear things up. In the world of AI, a transformer isn't a giant robot, but a type of model architecture. It's like a group of scholars translating ancient texts, each focusing on a different part but sharing their insights to create a comprehensive understanding. This is achieved through what's known as attention mechanisms. Here's a fun way to think about it. Imagine you're at a party and you're trying to listen to your friend amidst all the noise. You'd focus more on your friend's voice, right? That's what attention mechanisms do. They help the model focus more on certain parts of the input when generating an output. Now GPT-4 doesn't just have one or two of these scholars or attention heads as they're called. It has millions of them, all working together to translate and generate text. And each of these attention heads is trained on a massive amount of data, learning from billions of sentences to understand the intricate nuances of language. But here's the crowning jewel. While most models need to be fine-tuned for each new task, GPT-4 is different. It's a zero-shot learner. This means that it can generate sensible responses to prompts it has never seen before, without needing any task-specific training. It's like a scholar who can translate a newly discovered ancient language on the spot. So, in essence, GPT-4 is like a super smart scholar, deciphering and generating human language with remarkable accuracy. It's the next frontier in natural language processing, and we're only just beginning to explore its potential. Let's take a moment to appreciate the gargantuan strides made by GPT-4. This AI model is a prodigious leap forward from its predecessor, GPT-3. It's like going from a horse-drawn carriage straight to a spaceship. GPT-4's capacity to understand, generate, and interact with human language is truly a game-changer. This model's technical prowess is nothing short of awe-inspiring. It's a transformer-based model, a term that might sound like it's straight out of a sci-fi flick. But in reality, it refers to the model's ability to handle and process vast quantities of data in parallel. A feat akin to a master juggler, keeping 1,000 balls in the air simultaneously. GPT-4's key advancements over previous models primarily lie in its scale and efficiency. With a larger model size and more training data, it has a broader understanding and can generate more accurate and nuanced language. It's like upgrading from a pocket dictionary to an entire library of knowledge. But what truly sets GPT-4 apart and makes it a beacon for the future of NLP is its ability to generate human-like text that's virtually indistinguishable from something a human would write. It's like having a conversation with a well-read scholar, one who never sleeps, never tires, and has access to a vast repository of information. The future of NLP lies in leveraging such sophisticated models. GPT-4 and its successors will continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in natural language processing, opening up new horizons in machine-human interaction. We're on the precipice of a new era where language models like GPT-4 will not just mimic human language, but understand and interact with it in ways we're only starting to imagine. And there you have it, a peek into the future of NLP with GPT-4. Keep watching this space for more deep dives into the world of AI and machine learning.